Hi, my name is Gasper. I'm Developer Relations Lead at Oasis Network. If you will be using our DeFi system, right, with EVM compatible chain, so this is called Emerald Paradigm, you have to import Ethereum address basically, right? So I will go to account management one more time. So top right, account management, import, because I want to import Ethereum compatible private key. That will be my address I will be using, for example, on Emerald dApps, right? Maybe on DEXs like Uniswap. So I will just click Ethereum compatible private key. I will provide a name like Oasis, let's say Emerald. I will click next, and I need to provide private key for my Ethereum compatible address, right? So I will copy and paste my private key right here. Okay, so there it is. Keep in mind that if you have mnemonics, you will have to transform or convert these mnemonics into private key. I will confirm private key, and voila, there is my Oasis Emerald address, right? Account, right? So now what I can do, I can actually choose which account I will use. So I decide that I will first check my Emerald if there is something or if there are some rows, right? So you see almost one rows, right? But what I want to do actually is copy that address. You know, if I go back to wallet, I will try to copy this address because I want to send, or let's say transfer, migrate some rows from my consensus layer to my EVM compatible chain, which is Emerald, right? So what I will do, copy this address, change the account back to consensus, and say paratimes right here, or even here, the third tab, paratimes, right? So I want to send my rows to paratime now. So click paratime, paste here the address that you will use for your, dApps, right? And then enter amount. So I will just send, let's say 9 rows to this address and click next. I will confirm transaction. And I will wait a few seconds, so you will notice how quickly actually my rows will be transferred from consensus to EVM compatible chain. So basically it's like immediate, right? So yeah, we will wait for another few seconds, and then we can go and verify our Ethereum address. So currently we still have pending, but it will change to successful, right? And meanwhile, we can refresh our, you see successful. Meanwhile, we can refresh our web wallet. So you will notice there is only 300 because we sent or we transferred 9 rows to Emerald. So open my browser extension again. And now I will change this consensus account to Emerald, just to give you an idea where it shows, right? So now there is my wallet. This is my Emerald wallet. I will go to paratimes, and there is my balance, right? If I want to send that back to consensus, I can click consensus to consensus, and I can provide my Oasis one, so consensus address, which I can copy right here from web wallet, right? So this makes your address to be copied to clipboard. So I will go back and I will click paratimes to consensus, enter my Oasis wallet, and I will send back, let's say, only 9 like before. Click next, confirm, and now my 9 rows are being transferred from Emerald back to consensus layer. So you see how easy it is to, let's say, transfer between EVM compatible chain and our consensus, right? And you will notice it's very, very, very cheap. So basically it doesn't cost a fortune, right? So it's in few rows, right? So let's wait that this transaction will be completed. So it's still pending. And if we just try to refresh web browser again, okay, we should see 309 plus 100, it's 409, right? So I will go back to my browser extension, and you will notice if I change accounts to my consensus, voila, there are total 309 and active delegations which we can actually verify in our web wallet. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.